In the heart of India, under the scorching sun and under the watchful gaze of the Himalayas, the Mughal Empire rose, a beacon of opulence and grandeur. The year was 1526, and Babur, a warrior from the far-off lands of Central Asia, had conquered the northern Indian province of Agra. With him, he brought the Timurid dynasty, the seeds of what would soon become the Mughal Empire. Babur was a man of ambition, a descendant of Genghis Khan, and he sought to rule not just Agra, but all of India. His son, Humayun, would inherit this dream, but his reign would be short-lived. In the year 1540, Humayun was defeated in battle, and his empire was seized. He was forced to flee, leaving his beloved capital, Agra, behind. His days were spent wandering, his nights filled with dreams of reclaiming his lost throne. But fate had other plans. In 1555, Humayun would find himself in exile, far from his homeland. In the midst of despair, he was taken in by a local Rajput ruler, Rana Pratap, who showed him kindness and hospitality. In his darkest hour, Humayun received news that would change his life. His son, Akbar, had rallied the Mughal forces and was ready to reclaim the empire. With renewed hope, Humayun returned to India, and Akbar ascended the throne. Akbar was a visionary, a man who believed in unity in diversity. He expanded the empire, conquering territories to the east and west, and brought together people of different faiths and cultures under the Mughal banner. His reign was marked by peace, prosperity, and the arts. Akbar's court was a center of learning, attracting scholars, poets, and artists from across the globe. The Taj Mahal, a testament to love and loss, was built during his reign, its white marble reflecting the brilliance of the Mughal Empire. Akbar's son, Jahangir, would continue his father's legacy, extending the empire further south. His rule was marked by a strong central administration and a focus on trade and commerce. The Mughal Empire continued to thrive under Jahangir's successors, Shah Jahan and Aurangzeb, each leaving their own indelible mark on India's history. But with the passage of time, the empire began to weaken, finally succumbing to internal strife and external invasions. The Mughal Empire, once a symbol of India's imperial majesty, fell, but its legacy lived on. Its architecture, its art, its culture, and its spirit continue to influence India even today. The empire may have fallen, but its grandeur remains, a testament to a time when India shone brightly under the Mughals.